So for that purpose, what capabilities, what knowledge we have to improve in ourselves, that is very, very, very important. Nowadays, what is important? So nowadays, we are in the 21st century. What is the currency? What is the knowledge? What is the meaning of knowledge? And what is the meaning of currency? And why? Because everyone is running behind the currency. Everyone needs a currency to fulfill their daily needs. So how the currency we can get in the 21st century? So here I am starting my subject by saying, by selecting base as the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, means you have the currency. In a nowadays, no need of hard work, no need of honesty. Before 21st century, yes, when they are selecting, they may ask you, are you a hard worker? Are you a honest? But nowadays, no, smart work, multitasking, smart work, and security levels are there to protect the financial information of the company. So knowledge is the currency of 21st century, my dear brothers. Be clear. What is important nowadays? The knowledge. So here, first we'll learn what is the meaning of currency. What is currency? It's a medium of exchange. Currency means it's a medium of exchange. And what is currency? How you will get, how you can earn the currency now? How you can earn the currency by sitting at your home? Here, currency will come if you have the knowledge. Currency will come if you have the communication skills. So I am trying to give you two important areas which will help you to earn a good money in the market. So having the knowledge, not only knowledge is important here. When we are trying to settle our life internationally, so you must have a good communication skills. We don't know with which country you will work, which management you will work, which language they will speak, how we can communicate with them, which language we have to learn to act as an accountant, sir. We have to learn English, we have to learn Urdu, Hindi, Arabic, or English, German, French, which language we have to learn. It's very difficult. And what knowledge we must have, sir? How I can know that I have the good knowledge, enough knowledge, I am enough capable or competent to do that job? These all are the questions. Many questions will come when you start searching a job. First thing, you must be a confident and you must assure yourself that you have the enough knowledge to manage and maintain the company's finance. If you want to earn the currency, you must have knowledge and the communication. How? What is knowledge, sir? Just I'm trying to give you a small areas what a knowledge means. Here knowledge means, to the best of my knowledge, I am telling you the fact, the information and the skills. The information, the skills acquired through the experience and the education, the grip, the command, the mastery. If you are a master, means you have a knowledge of ERP. If you are a master in one ERP, that means you have the knowledge of that ERP. If you are a good command in a MS Office, that means you have a knowledge of MS Office. If you are a grip on some subjects, that means you have the knowledge of these things. How you will get a knowledge, sir? Here the education. First, the base is you must complete your graduation, my dear students. The basic education must. Remaining experience will come with the work. So that's why there is a articles period is there. Please try to fulfill the full articles as the syllabus designed. That will help you to get the knowledge. See the definition, what I am trying to tell you, the experience and the education. So thus some courses are giving you to get a complete knowledge. That's why they are giving you the practical exposure. Here also I am trying to give you the knowledge. How I am giving you the knowledge? That means we will try to share our real life experiences in the field of accounts, in the field of audit, in the field of finance, what we faced. And I'm telling number of times, I'm not only one here. We have the very much experts, knowledgeable persons in a specific field. I will try to connect all my colleagues, all my teachers to give you the full clear command, full clear mastery knowledge or skills in the field of accounts and finance. So my dear students, now I hope I given you the definition how you can know that you have the knowledge or not. One thing, you completed your education, you have a very good marks, you have a very good track record, and you have a good command on the subject. That means you have a knowledge on educational basis, and you have the experience. You done some part-time jobs when you are doing your graduations. All these things will help you. So to make you a good accountant, what knowledge you must have? You must have the knowledge of computers nowadays. You must have the knowledge of ERP. And what is the meaning of communication, sir? Whether is I'm having a good communication or not. So I'm trying to give you the small definition is the communication means the exchange of information by speaking or writing or by using some other media. Here, communicating means exchange of information. You must have a good speaking skills. If you must have a good writing skills, or using some other medium must be. So here, if you want to become a good accountant, so you must have a knowledge of good ERP computers, and you must have a knowledge of language of the business. I am not telling you to learn English. I am not telling you to learn German or some other geographical languages. I am trying you to learn the language of the business. This is the beauty of our course. C for certified word is coming, and this is a universal language. I can tell you, I can assure you, if you become a doctor or engineer, if you want to join as a or start your own practice in other countries, you must qualify again the exams. But if you are a graduate, become graduate student, that means you learn the language of any country business language. Here I can give you the small example. Here in the your country you will call it as a bank. Here in the international market we will call it as a bank. Salaries, rent. So the language, this is a universal language. This is the beauty of our course commerce. So don't criticize yourself. This is a very important language, and this is a universal language of the business. So here I'm trying to give you what is ERP. To learn ERP, what is important. I'm taking the base here in this course. I will try to cover the basic accounting subject, and as well as the ERP, Tally ERP, QuickBooks, Zoho Books, and some other ERPs we will take, and we will compare, and we will learn the functional areas, how the ERP will work and how we can operate, how to prepare a financial statements, how to book a daily transactions in these BERPs. Okay, some ERPs are server based, some ERPs are cloud based. So we will learn these all technical things in coming class.